हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज इंडिया फोरम्स कर रहा है सर्वे नच बलिए 8 पे। तो आइए जानते हैं हमारी जनता से कि कौन है उनके फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट्स जिसे वो विनर के रूप में देखना चाहते हैं और कौन रहे शॉकिंग एलिमिनेशंस। तो चलिए जानते हैं।
I think it's Sanaya and Mohit. They're pretty cool. I mean, they've got this amazing chemistry and the way they dance is like really epic. I think they should win. They should totally win it. Sanaya and Mohit, I think they did this routine on where I think there was a gender bend costume. Like Mohit was wearing heels on it. So that was pretty cool.
दिव्यांका और विवेक। मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि सनम एबिकेटी जीते बस, और यही मैं चाहता हूँ बस। और बहुत अच्छे, क्योंकि दोनों लोग बहुत अच्छे डांस करते हैं। इवन मैं भी उसका एक दो स्टाइल सीख के रखा हूँ।
मेरे हिसाब से नच बलिए में शायद दिव्यांका और विवेक जीतेंगे, क्योंकि वो लोग बहुत अच्छा डांस करते हैं। आई लाइक
मेरे हिसाब से भी वही जीतेंगे, दिव्यांका और विवेक, क्योंकि मुझे दिव्यांका बहुत अच्छी लगती है और उसकी सीरियल तो हमेशा मैं देखती हूँ। मुझे लगता है वही जीतेंगे दोनों।
जी, मेरे हिसाब से तो अभी तक सनम अबिगेल ही जीतना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दी है। जिस हिसाब से देखा जाए उन्होंने काफ़ी मेहनत की है, तो मेरा वोट उन्हीं को जाएगा।
जोड़ी मस्ट बी अबिगेल एंड सनम।
Same. Divyanka or Vivek.
My favorite jodis were Mohit Sanaya and Sanam Abigail, and I am glad that both of them have come to the finale. But if you were to ask me who should win, then definitely Sanam and Abigail should win, because they are the best jodi on Nach Baliye this season, and they are the most hardworking and the best performers. And to be fair, I think they should only win the show.
Sanaya and Mohit, they are my favorite, one of the favorite contestants, and I think they should win because they have been performing consistently well for so many weeks. Yeah, so I think they deserve to win.
मेरे हिसाब से दिव्यांका उनके पति नच बलिए में फर्स्ट विनर आएंगे।
I think Sanam and Abigail. I like the performance. I think they're really good dancers, and since the show is about dancing, then good dancers should win.
सनाया मोहित पसंद है मुझे तो वैसे, क्योंकि उनका परफॉर्मेंस भी अच्छा रहा है और उनकी ग्रोथ भी अच्छी है। उनका हॉरर एक्ट भी पसंद आया मुझे, जो रिसेंटली किया था उन्होंने। इसलिए मैं तो चाहूँगा कि सनाया मोहित जीते बस।
Well, my favorite couple is Abigail and Sanam, and I truly think that they deserve to win. I really like the holy, not the holy thing, it was very romantic, and Sanaya looked very sexy in one of the performances. I really don't remember. But Sanam and Abigail, obviously Barish was very good. And I think overall all their performances are very good, and in fact they perform, and after which I start liking those songs all the more. So yeah.
मुझे लगता है इस बार विवेक और दिव्यांका ही जीतेंगे नच बलिए।
So my favorite couple this season would be Mohit and Sanaya. The only reason I would say is because their journey has totally been a upside journey, where they started from 22 and the lowest scorers, and they've come down to a perfect 30 thrice. So yeah, Mohit and Sanaya should win. Their favorite performance would be where they performed with their choreographer Nishant. That was a perfect gender bend tag that they performed, and that wasn't very typical, something that was definitely out of the box. So yeah.
I think Abigail and Sanam, I think वो जीतेंगे ये टाइम पे, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम उनका परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी अच्छा था। आई थिंक जैसे उन्होंने वो एरोडायनेमिक्स वो सब किया था, काफ़ी अच्छा था।
The most shocking was Bharti and Harsh, because Bharti was really good, and she's funny too. So
A shocker was Bharti, because she was very, very entertaining, and that is why I feel that she came out as a shock.
Shoaib and Deepika, yeah, they came as a shocker because they were performing good and suddenly they were just thrown out. So it was a shocking thing.
Shocking elimination would be I think Preetham would be the shocking elimination, because I think irrespective of whether they were good performers or not, they were truly good entertainers, and I think they deserved to stay.
Shocking elimination would be Shoaib and Deepika, because I really wanted them to go to the finale, and they've been one of the most consistent performers. So yeah, they are the शॉकिंग एलिमिनेशन।
आई थिंक शॉकिंग सिद्धार्थ का ज़्यादा शॉकिंग था, क्योंकि लगा नहीं था मुझे। आई थिंक मराठी सॉन्ग्स पे काफ़ी अच्छा किया था, तो काफ़ी अच्छे वोट्स मिलेंगे ऐसा मुझे लगा था, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बिकॉज आई थिंक वो फिनाले तक जा सकते थे।
One shocking elimination. I think Shoaib and Deepika. They were doing pretty well. What happened to them?
Maybe Bharti.
Bharti.
Yeah, same.
तो ये थी हमारी जनता की ओपिनियन। अब देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि कौन ले जाता है नच की ट्रॉफी। साथ ही आप अपने ओपिनियंस हमारे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करें। साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर नाउ, काजल मिश्रा विद कैमरा पर्सन बाबाजी, इंडिया फोरम्स, मुंबई।
Hello everybody, I'm Abigail.
Hi, I'm Saram Johar.
This is Sanaya Rani. This is Divyanka Tripathi and you're watching India Forums.
India Forums.
IndiaForums.com. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel of India Forums.